Let's get to story number 7. NASA's Europa Clipper satellite is set to launch this October. Now, its mission is really to try to learn what lies below the surface of Jupiter's icy moon and whether it could support life. KCAL meteorologist Marina Jurica takes us inside this groundbreaking mission.
Europa, one of Jupiter's many moons and the other ocean world in our solar system.
The reason why Europa is so cool is that the surface is covered with a layer of ice. And below that ice layer, we think there's an ocean, a vast ocean of liquid water. And we think there actually could be more water in this ocean than all of Earth's oceans combined.
Enter Europa Clipper, launching soon on a 400 million mile trip to one of Jupiter's largest moons. It's in final preparation at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory near Pasadena before heading to Florida for launch.
Understanding and being able to study whether it is a habitable environment and what that habitable environment might be like is critically important to understanding how life originated. And so Europa, I really believe, is going to feed in so many dimensions a better understanding of our world and how we can live in it.
The Europa Clipper mission represents humanity's quest for knowledge as NASA seeks to uncover the mysteries beneath Europa's icy surface. Every bolt tightened and every wire connected here brings us that much closer to unlocking the mysteries of our universe.
We will have a magnetic experiment to understand how salty the ocean is and how thick it is and how thick the ice shell is, and a radar experiment where the radar waves, essentially radio waves, can penetrate through ice, bounce off liquid water and back to the spacecraft to tell us where the water is, to act like a CAT scan, if you like, of Europa's ice shell to identify liquid water.
It's an engineering feat. Europa is a very challenging place to explore. I mean, it's scientifically interesting, but it sits in this horrible radiation environment that's created and trapped by Jupiter. And so in defining materials that can survive that environment, electronics, shielding those electronics to be able to survive that environment, and then get all that data back to Earth. But if you took Europa Clipper in its flying formation and put it up against the Statue of Liberty with one end of the solar array at the statue's feet, the spacecraft would go all the way up to the crown of the Statue of Liberty. This is the largest planetary spacecraft NASA has ever put out to the planets.
It's been incredible seeing Clipper come together over the years as NASA scientists hope decades of work will pay off and that Clipper can answer the question, is there other life out there?
If there are two places in one solar system where life got started, then life must be common throughout the universe.
For now, it will stay protected in this controlled environment so that Clipper doesn't have any hitchhiking particles from Earth. After launching later this year, it will take 5.5 years to reach its destination and begin its work of discovery. Marina Jurica, KCAL News.
And that launch is set for October 10th from the Kennedy Space Center.
Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.